XRP holders, the day that you and I have been waiting for over a month, it's finally coming tomorrow, less than 24 hours. And let me show you this. Can this be a complete nothing burger for the price of XRP? Yes. Can this be a day where we're going to see a big crash, a big drop in price, and people are going to be panicking? Yes. Can this be consolidation day and nothing really much happens, but still everybody kind of goes crazy? Yes. No one knows exactly what's going to happen, but one thing is for sure: Trump, countries, tariffs, retaliation, liberation date, whatever you want to call it, it's going to happen. There's going to be press conferences. He's going to be signing some executive orders. We got some news today from Grayscale. They're having a new large digital asset fund. They're including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Cardano. I want to touch base on that too. And you know what this is called, fam? Bull trap. Haven't been buying XRP over the last 48 hours. I've been holding the line. I told you here it is. I'm going to go back to that in just a moment. Still holding stables. I think more short-term pain is coming. I want to get the dip, All eyes on crypto. So here it is. Today, we filed a registration statement on the Form S3 to register shares of Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund, ticker GDLC, under the Securities Act of 1933. This is another important step toward uplisting GDLC as an ETP, as a product, right? Like an ETF. So there's going to be 5 crypto assets, everybody: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. And you can see right here the filing, which is, makes it official. Let me tell you the full story, guys. Obviously, the prices are changing right now as we're waiting. But let's see what's occurring. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Let me see the comments down there. I know some people are already dropping the towel and saying, I don't want to know about XRP. It's a scam, it's trash. Just know that you're welcome on this channel. And to all my great fam that were always coming here with the right attitude, with the right mindset, that you're adding and buying the dip, you're buying this beauty right here. Would you take a look at this one? That is XRP, baby. And this is Ripple. Kaboom. So, guys, nothing much to do for me with the footers, but I continue accumulating. Right now, I've been accumulating to buy. I'm going to show you on BTCC. We got about $6,800, 6,800 USDT ready to get in and buy the dips. And I saw Bitcoin at 85,000. Did I buy? No, because I knew. There's more volatility coming. So click the first link down below. Sign up on BTCC, fam. There's all the information you need to if you want to do it and continue, trading. Get up to 500x positions, guys. No VPN, no KYC required. 40% lower trading fees and up to 10,000 welcome bonus. So any questions, just let me know through Twitter, through X. But I wanted you guys to be involved, right? And see what's really going on, with the price of everything, especially XRP, that I will say, we've been covering this since, I just want to go back in time a little bit, the beginning of February, right? So it's been about 30, 40 plus days that we saw how the price dropped. Let's go to the daily right now so you remember, fam. It was this one right here. How could anybody forget what happened here at 177, 176? This, my friends, that was the first tariffs, announcement that we had. And as we go on, there's been other ones, right? And we have seen the price of XRP drop under the $2. Just recently, we had a 202, but it wasn't really, it wasn't Sunday, during the weekend. Early Monday, too. That means that, I think for sure this is a decent consolidation. Let me go ahead and bring my rectangle right here, which I like it. There you go. You can tell around, you can just tell right here, guys, how the price of XRP has been consolidating for a while. That means, everybody, that we're going to be either continue, following the pattern of sideways, or the price of XRP is about to continue dropping, because That's how the trend is coming in right now. We haven't been able to pass the 220s, the 221 to 25. That is an indicator that the price is slowing. The price is not pushing. The price is not, I mean, buyers are not, they don't have what it takes. So on the 4 hours right now, what it looks like, fam, is that we're gonna go much lower. That much lower could be. Now let me go ahead and kind of pass it this way. A $2 price of XRP, which guess who is ready to buy those dips? I am, guys. Just letting you know, guys. There's a lot of shorts right now who are also enjoying what it's right now on the screen, and that's obviously normal. That happens all the time. But does that mean that XRP is over, that it's gone, and we should be just selling because it's never gonna go back up? Absolutely not. That's the reason why we have the announcement right here. We click here on the link. We're going to see GDLC. The price right now, as of today, $35. There's the objective, you know, performance right now. And we're going to see the holdings. So what is the percentage they have? 80% Bitcoin, 10% Ethereum, and 5% XRP. Solana 2% and Cardano 1%. So not bad, man. Grayscale, they know and read. I mean, they already have a bunch of ETFs. But if you recall, why are they selecting all of this specifically? Well, because this, my friends, is what Donald J. Trump posted on that Truth Social post, if you recall, like about a month ago. He said that all of them are going to be a part of the U.S. Crypto Strategic Reserve. Then later on, we found out during, you know, the crypto summit that he was meaning basically just Bitcoin, and the rest were going to be included in a crypto stockpile. So crypto stockpile. But still, I'll take it, you know. It just comes to show that this administration is doing things differently, and we just got to be bullish, right? Period, guys. That's what it is. So go ahead and let me know in the comments down below, guys. What are your strategies, you know, when it comes to XRP? And if you're still here, because a lot of people are going to be banging at the door once, you know, things are actually, you know, waking up to much higher levels. If we go to the weekly right now, we're actually losing the battle. Let me share this with you. We're losing the battle, right? I mean, you could clearly see how the 3 and the 2, we're much closer to the 2. And if we don't recover quickly, we have the danger, right, to go to the 189 to the 177. I wonder if, you know, tomorrow is going to be a day where sellers are going to win over the buyers, and there's going to be a bunch of liquidations. Right now, the only opportunities I have is to buy spot trading. So I'm preparing myself here on BTCC, everybody, where you can also start joining me and start trading. Absolutely. We're still using it, and we love it because it's the chance, guys. Because right now, you know, the entire community is going crazy and saying, breaking news, it's happening. There's XRP. There's the filing, right? So I'm not really risking not buying the positions at a very cheap price. But it can get cheaper. That's why right now, as we're ending the day here in the US, guys, the end, we have a 30% drop on that one, DEXE IP, 2 digits. But when it comes to the winners, right now, you know, by market cap, XRP consolidating and in less than, you know, 1% negative. So that's really nice. So it means that they're holding strong, and all eyes on XRP, all eyes on crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. And I'm just bull posting right now. There's going to be a lot of opportunities to buy the dip and just have enormous positions, right? Whatever crypto you're looking for. Catch you later. Peace.